If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight. We going live tonight, live from the Next Sound Studio. Trying to party and celebrate life. Tune in the Next Sound Studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level with different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you gon' get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get a band or you might wanna dance bachata. I just know every week's gonna be a chopper. And it's a party for the world, for little boys and little girls.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Live from Next Sound Studio, where we are connecting independent music artists with their fans through their lyrics. Let's give it up for everyone tuning in. I am so proud of you. Keep tuning in. I am your host, Nequasia. You might have caught me on the YouTube series, but now I'm here as your hostess with the mostest, here to navigate the night and of course look cute and dapper while I'm doing it. Now, show me some love, y'all. I wanna feel it. Hey. Just so you know the routine, I gotta let you guys know the routine. Each night, we will showcase a talented artist and find out more about them and their lyrics through our director in his director's cut. Let's not keep you guys waiting any longer and bring to the stage tonight's featured artist. Hailing from New York via Los Angeles, singer Lamarco is creating a lane of his own. The product of a musical family, this entertainer is no stranger to the stage. Primarily, gospel was the genre of choice for the singer who sang for notable artists, such as Marvin Sapp, Shirley Caesar, and Kim Burrell. But after having the opportunity to sing with and for commercial voices like Robin Thicke and Brandy, Lamarco's signature sound and electrifying performance style has evolved beyond church walls. Debuting in 2015 with Feels Like a Dream, Lamarco hasn't stopped sharing his audio input. Previously releasing a slew of singles like One Night and Let's Get Serious, Lamarco began 2021 with a 10-song LP, No Friends. Okay, Lamarco. Let's take it to our director to find out how this musical journey started.
Here I am, Wilby Walker, once again, sitting with Lamarco. He is the man of the hour. He's an amazing, I can't even say singer, just musical entertainer in general. So let's get back and let's talk about you growing up and how you became this wonderful entertainer that you are today. I know that you come from a musical family, so let's talk a little bit about growing up in a musical family and what that was like for you.
I grew up in the church. I was a front row kid. I was always fascinated by the music, and they would always give me opportunities to perform. And so I had a lot of great people who saw things in me early on that I didn't necessarily understand myself, you know? And my parents were also musicians and singers and got a chance to play and sing for a lot of notable gospel artists like Shirley Caesar, Kim Burrell, Marvin Sapp, et cetera, et cetera. And so through that, I had a lot of professional experience. And so when I got a chance to open for like Kim Burrell and Dawkins, you know, I just let the spirit move me. And I saw how free those people were. And I was just like, all right, cool. And I realized that whatever was coming out of my mouth and what I was saying and how I was emoting it was connecting with all these adults and grown people, you know?
Now let's talk about your performances here live in Next Sound Studio. Whew. Where you really tore down the house.
Thank you.
You
that was
broke
so
it
fun.
down. You gave all the energy that one man could give.
The set is fire. It was like a cool ambiance to just be free, and especially after a pandemic and being in quarantine for so long and not performing or performing virtually, on Zoom is not the business. It's, it works for what it's worth. But this was just so cool to like see faces and hear vibes and hear reactions and feel things,
So I am good / proud of me.
Yeah.
Dope song.
Thank you.
It's like you busting out. COVID's over. I'm coming out. Y'all ready for this? Y'all need this. So let's talk a little bit about that song.
All right, It's All Good / Proud of Me is a 2-part banger produced by Ego. And yeah, it's just my settlement with myself that I'm good. It was my encouragement to other indie artists or anybody in any industry that feels like you're not excelling or you're not being noticed for the things you're doing. If you're actually putting the work in and being diligent and like are good at what you do, this is for you to be like, bro, sis, calm down. You know what I mean? Just like, as long as, like I say, I'm not so worried about the numbers. I'm perfecting my craft each day. I think that line is so big. We live in a social media driven world where if you have 100 followers, I've met some of the most prolific people on this planet who have 100 followers, and that's by choice. They just don't post hashtags, they don't do anything, but they'll post like a fire post once every 3 months. And you think they should have millions of followers, right? But that's not their thing. And so maybe if me not being a mega superstar at 20 helps somebody who is 20 get their things together now, you know what I mean? Yo, I don't control any of this. And I think that's what my realization was on No Friends, is I don't control any of this, and what I do control is my happiness, and my happiness won't be determined by whether you approve of me or not. No shade, you know what I mean?
My name is Lamarco. Thank you, Next Sound, for having me. I'm performing some songs from my new album, No Friends, produced by Ego. This is for anybody with a dream. Maybe you doubt yourself. I've been there before. Come on. Listen up. It's okay, it's okay. I'ma make it on my own. I'ma break the door down alone. Oh yeah. I ain't never need a handout. Don't gotta try to be a standout. Funny how they got their hands out. Oh yeah. If I've been what they've been in the sin, come on. It'll be over, but I waited patiently. In the world I got to see, they might be scared of me, cause it's over. If you slipped on me, wake up. I'ma rock you, I'll shake ya. Ain't no hard feelings, no. I'm just letting you know. I'm not worried about the number. I'm perfecting my craft each day. Even when they don't shout me out, I know they watching me anyway. Woo! Then say it'll be over, but I waited patiently. And the world I still got to see, they might be scared of me. Talk to me, come on, you freaking me out. Everybody gets weird when I come around. I just wanna sing and protect my aura. Fake lovers, come on, make them dance for. They explore my sound, call them Dora. Take what you need, I got some more of it. It's a steep climb, climbing to the top. But you wanted something if they're trying to stop you. Y'all hear that? I said, but you wanted something if they tryna stop ya. Woo! Come on, come on. Come on. Hey. It's got a cool vibe, y'all. Say, I'ma switch up my flow. More than a singer, more to me than what you know. If you doubted me, you're proud of me, and that's for sure. I'm throwing down, I know you want a place to go. It ain't never how you want when you get it. So I stay grateful, so I don't forget it. I had a big circle, now I keep my circle small. It's like buying online, you shopping at the mall. Come on!
I have a story, but some is kinda blurry.
Some is kinda blurry.
Paying homage to all the ones before me.
All the ones before me.
Party and play.
I see you rocking, come on!
I'm your vibe today.
Say, I have a
story, but some is kinda blurry.
Some is kinda.
Paying Paying homage to all the ones before
All the
me.
ones that.
Party and play, web to stage. Yeah, I'm your vibe today.
But did you know this beat almost went in the dumpster? But I had the feeling, told Ego, we had to trust her. See, it's the simple ones that be most fire. When you just let go and just be inspired. And say,
Don't expect me not to go in.
and what else up?
And don't expect the heat just to end.
Don't come to me bringing up back when. You see me?
now, didn't wanna see me then.
Thought that was you. Hey!
I have the story, but some is kinda blurry.
Some is kinda blurry.
Paying homage to all the ones before
All the
me.
ones that party then play.
Web to stage.
Yeah.
I'm your vibe today. I have a story, but some is kinda
But some is kinda blurry.
Paying homage to all the ones before
All the
me.
ones before me.
Party and play.
Come on.
Web to stage.
I'm your.
Vibe today.
Now let me see you rock. Woo! Yeah. Shout out to Ego. No Friends is out right now. Go pick it up and support your boy. Come on.
Great job, Lamarco. We hope you enjoyed that performance. Now, let's check back in with the director to hear the story behind his next track, Healing.
And we got to see you perform and entertain us with the I Am Good and Proud of Me. But then we got to see you just showcase your vocal abilities in healing. So let's talk about healing and what it's like to perform that song and where you go to mentally and lyrics behind the song.
Dope. Healing was actually meant to go to another artist. Ego and I were like, we can't lose this song. It's gotta, like, people need this right now. And it's about a relationship, but it's kind of vague in a way as well. So it can pertain to anything that you need it to, addiction or just whatever, childhood things, you know what I mean? Like, it's just when you really get to a point where you recognize that you need healing, it's okay to need healing, you know what I mean? And I consider myself to be a very strong person, but sometimes I have to recharge. I got to step back and just be like, whoa, it's too much. You know what I mean? My mom was at the end of Healing, which is super dope. She recorded that on a voice memo on her phone. I was like, Mom, I need you to sing me something. She's actually really shy. And I was like, I need you to sing me something of you singing. Like, sing that song, I'm All Yours, which is a song she wrote. And I was like, I'm going to use a piece of it. And she didn't know what I was really talking about. And then I sent it back to her, this version that we had like mixed her in, put some reverb on there and everything. And she got to hear herself. And that was a pretty cool moment, and to hear herself beautifully. And I was like, come on, one take. And I didn't even give you the option to do it again and do it right, because I know she's a perfectionist too. So like, I was just super honored. And then I wanted to keep that in every time I perform it, because I think it's cool to perform with my mom. And one day, hopefully we'll be able to do that live, you know?
I thought it was super cool too. Hopefully she's watching and she enjoyed it as well. Good job, Mom. Here he is performing Healing live NextSoundStudio. Pay attention, this man got the awesome vocals, all right?
Here we go.
We'll be back.
When I think of you and see you doing well, I can't keep replaying how we went through so much hell. Because I'm still hurting, I'm having trouble moving on, and it makes me feel like everything is gone. Cause I'm needing healing for my soul. Where can I find it? Who will make me whole? I feel so broken deep inside. Tell me who can take my tears and dry my eyes. Cause I'm needing healing. I don't know who this is for, but it's time for you to get healing. Wow. But I can hear your heart though. I'm happy for loyal. I swear that I am. Back then we were children, now I'm thinking like a man. But every now and then it comes back up, but in the worst way. And if I'm being honest with myself, then I gotta say I'm still needing healing for my soul. Where can I find it? Who will make me whole? I feel broken so deep inside. And tell me who can take my tears and dry my eyes. Cause I'm needing healing. Sometimes you gotta be real with yourself and admit you need some healing. Yeah. My mom used to sing this to me.
I'm the mender of your broken heart. I've the power to fix every part. Put your trust in me. I will be there to show you that I really do care.
I hope you get what you're needing.
What a sweet story, and even better performance. Also, be sure to check out NextSoundStudio NYC on YouTube for more performances from the artists that you will see here. Now, closing out the show, let's take it to Will once more to hear the meaning and intention behind his dope song, Wallflower. It's been my pleasure hosting tonight's show. Now, everybody, be sure to tell somebody else to meet us back here next week, where we will have another talented indie artist to take the stage. If you have enjoyed his performances tonight, be sure to check out Lamarco's newest LP, No Friends, and all of his other music available on all music streaming platforms.
Off of your album 31, you performed Wallflower.
Yeah.
What a treat that was. Let's
you.
talk a little bit about the lyrics and the message behind Wallflower.
Wallflower on 31 was produced by Twanner, and it's a very eclectic song, very I don't even know, retro vibe. It gives me retro feels. And I was watching Call Me By Your Name, and there's this scene where one of the main characters is just vibing, and it kind of had this kind of feel, and I was like, yo, this is what I always want to feel like. You know, it starts with, he came over and said, what are you doing here, boy? And I said, call me anything you want tonight. I'll be that boy, because I can feel it in my body that I'm no wallflower, right? And that speaks to, like, racially, being questioned and profiled. What are you doing? And you know what? If I gotta be that, if I'm your thug, I'm your thug. But you know what? You're not gonna stop this beat. You're not gonna stop this groove, Or, you're not masculine enough. So we clocked you. Well, then clock. I'll be whatever you need me to be at that moment. You know what I'm saying? It's just being who you are and being free.
You can see your freedom. You feel your expressive-ness.
Come on, why not?
You can feel it in your body. Here he is performing Wallflower right here live.
Let's do this. Let's rock.
This song is Wallflower, produced by Toronto. And this is for everybody right now who's hurting. The world is in so much pain. And if we could all just mind our business or dance together, I really see a change. Come on. He came over. He said, what you doing here, boy? I said, I'm dancing, call me anything you want. Tonight I'm that boy. Hey! 'Cause I can feel it in my body, say I can feel it in my body. You just gotta feel it in your body. my future is bright. But all the lights have seemed to disappear. Now say, I can feel it in my body. Say, come on. Can feel it in my body. Say, can you feel it out there? Come on, come on. Say, oh my God, we need some healing in the world. But until then, have this mentality, all right? Woo! Taking my safety, checking my security, but you can't take the beat that's inside of me. Yeah. I'm going up. I'm going up. Woo! Come on, say it. If you feel it, woo! Come on, say it. At home, I want you to learn the simple part. It just says I. Woo! Come on, say it. Let me see you dance. Come on. I'm going on. Say I. A little louder. Say it. Woo! Come on, say it. Cause I'm no wallflower.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, we going live tonight, live from the NextSoundStudio. If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, we going live tonight, live from the NextSoundStudio.